is up, guys? It is the next day from the last video, and we ended off with a little something that's kind of right in front of me right now. I don't know if I should show you right now. Oh, maybe. We have some 22 by 12 negative 44 offset fuel. Not sure what model they are. The guy did not have them. I didn't research it, but I think they look pretty cool. It's on Furies. Tread is like definitely not bad. I don't know. It's not horrible. It's not like brand new, but it's not bad. The center caps are not on because my lug nuts are barely too long. Like barely. If it was just flush, it would fit. So that just is stupid. I gotta buy some different ones. I could mock it up to see what it looks like, but it rubbed a little bit. These are 35s, 35 by 12.5 inch tires. It rubbed a little bit right here. I just had to cut this fender flare and then a little bit in there. Just plastic though, no aluminum, nothing like that. Definitely gives it a cool look. I like how the F150 badge kind of matches it, but the whole white scheme is pretty cool with chrome, I think. I still have to polish them. The guy gave me polish. I'm not really sure how to do it. They look clean in video. They're really not in person. So that brake light goes along with all this super good. But that right there, that throws it off. I'm pretty sure my buddies are coming over. We're going to be screwing around all day. But wanted to show you this right away because it looks super sick. I think Josh went to go take the change. He fell off. Huh? Alright, back. Front tires were like just doing this all the way.